Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download from Pinterest, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on your device. To download pictures, tap the picture you want and tap the three dots at the top right. On the pop-up, tap Download Image and allow the permissions. Your image has been downloaded. Next, to download videos, tap the video you want and tap the three dots at the bottom. On the pop-up, tap Copy Link. Then go to Google and search for Pinterest Video Downloader. Tap the first result. Scroll down and paste the video link that you copied. Tap Download. On the next page, you will find options to download the video. It even includes the size and format that you can download with. So tap Download Link with the video format. You will be taken to the video, so tap the three dots and tap Download. The video has been downloaded. And that's how you download from Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.